You know the law of action and reaction? To every action, there is always an equal, opposite, and simultaneous reaction. So as you can see it in this image, a ball bouncing back from hitting the ground is a perfect example of action and reaction. So this blue ball striking the ground with certain force is action, and the ground pushes back the ball with the equal force is reaction. So just like this blue ball, the market price also has both action and reaction. So it can look like this: action, reaction, action, reaction, something like that. So it's like a ball bouncing back from each reaction zone. You know, nothing goes up or goes down forever non-stop. There's always some kind of retracement on the way. So those retracements are reactions. And this is Elliott wave theory. See? Action, reaction, action, reaction, action, reaction, action, reaction. And another smaller action, reaction, action, reaction, action on each wave as well. So the Elliott wave theory shows that there are some kind of nature's law in financial market cycles that can help you forecast the market trends. So the basic foundation of this theory is that there are 8 waves in one cycle, and 5 of them move in the direction of the main trend, and after that 3 waves follow in the opposite direction as correction. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 5 moving into the main trend, 3 moving into the opposite trend. And among these 8 waves, there are 5 impulse waves and 3 corrective waves. So impulse waves consist of 5 sub-waves that moves in the same direction as the trend of the next largest degree. So if we come back to this image, the large trend from wave 1 to wave 5 is an uptrend, which means wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5 are impulse waves that are moving in the same direction as the trend of the next largest degree. And from wave A to C, the large trend of these 3 waves is a downtrend, which makes wave A and wave C impulse waves. So in this one huge cycle, wave 1, 3, 5, and wave A, C are impulse waves. And what is corrective waves? Corrective waves consist of 3 sub-waves that move in the direction opposite to the trend of the next largest degree. So back to the image. Since from wave 1 to wave 5 is a big uptrend, wave 2 and wave 4 are corrective waves that are moving in the opposite direction. And from wave A to wave C is a big downtrend, so wave B is a corrective wave that moves into the opposite direction. So wave 2, 4, and B are corrective waves among these 8 huge waves. An impulse wave consists of 5 subwaves, and corrective wave consists of 3 subwaves, which means that each impulse waves can be divided into 5 subwaves. So these 5 waves can be subwaves of one large impulse wave, just like this image right here. Wave 1, wave 3, wave 5, wave A, and wave C are impulse waves, and each of them consists of 5 subwaves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for corrective wave, they have 3 subwaves. So wave 2 or B are corrective waves, and each of them contains 3 subwaves. And this goes on and on. And it looks like this. These big 8 waves are the combination of these 34 middle-sized waves. And these waves can be also divided into 144 subwaves like this. These are smaller ones. So that's degree 1, 2, 3. And these 3 degrees, small, medium, became large is not the end of it. In total, there are 9 wave degrees: grand supercycle, supercycle, cycle, primary, intermediate, minor, minute, minuet, sub-minuet. Crazy, right? So it's really important to look at the bigger cycle first and then get into the smaller cycles to count these waves to avoid any huge mistakes. So that's it for this Elliott wave principle part 1. I'm going to bring you more Elliott wave videos in the near future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video to talk more about Elliott wave.